Cleaning a clogged espresso machine portafilter. Can anyone recommend a method for cleaning the clogged holes in a basket of an espresso machine portafilter? I had this problem with both DeLonghi and Saeco home espresso machines. For example, in care of Saeco pressurized portafilters, see link 1. Regarding Saeco manually pressurized portafilter, see link 2. Closing parenthesis. They caution against using metal pins. Any suggestions of methods or cleaning materials?
I alone on the planet seem to have solved the endless problem of cleaning the fine holes of an espresso portafilter, or a Mocha Express fine steam filter. None of the liquid or abrasive cleaning apps work, period. Instead, in the past, one had to use a pin to poke out the minute holes, task so laborious and hopeless that most espresso and mocha machines in the world are hampered by limited filtration. No longer. The pinholes are plugged with coffee fiber, which burns. Place the filter over a gas flame, either side, for 10 minutes, tapping it with tongs occasionally, and bingo. A clean filter. All the minute coffee fiber plugs burn or pop out. Best to use a small coffee pot rack on top of your smallest hob gas burner for this. And metal tongs. Will I be knighted for this? I would let the basket soak in a hot water, just from the tap. Bath of Kafiza, see link 2. For about 15 minutes to dissolve the coffee oils. If the problem is scale buildup, I would try a soak in a citric acid bath, about 2 tablespoons to 1 liter of water. Of course, a good stiff brush could do the trick too with both the methods described here. An old toothbrush maybe. I would also recommend getting on a routine cleaning schedule. I do a complete espresso machine and grinder cleaning about every 4 to 5 weeks, and it keeps some of these problems from happening. Once you get into the habit of doing it and develop your own personal system, it is not too hard to keep up, and you learn a lot about the internals of your machines, which can come in handy if you want to mod or need to do repairs. Here is a pretty good how-to on cleaning the portafilter and basket link, see link 3.